We are on Canto 1, Chapter 2, Divinity and Divine Service, Text 25. बीजे रे मुनयोऽथग्रे भगवन्तम् अधोक्षजम् सत्त्वं विशुद्धं क्षेमया कल्पन्ते यनुतानहिया बीजरे मुनयोऽथग्रे भगवन्तम् अधोक्षजम् सत्त्वं विशुद्धं क्षेमया कल्पन्ते यनुतनिहा बीजरे मुनयोऽथग्रे भगवन्तम् अधोक्षजम् सत्त्वं विशुद्धं क्षेमया कल्पन्ते यनुतानिहा. Yes, so whoever want to recite the shloka, please go ahead. Asta, read the shloka.
वेजिरे मुनायोऽग्रे भागवन्तम् अधोक्षजं तत्त्वं विशुद्धं क्षेमाय कल्पन्ते ये तु नान्यः.
Okay, next.
नूतनः.
Next. Please read the shloka. Next devotee.
भेजिरे मुनयोऽथाग्रे भागवतम् अधोक्षजं सत्त्वं विशुद्धं क्षेमया कल्पन्ते ये नुता इह.
Okay, next.
भेजिरे मुनयोऽथग्रे भागवतम् अधोक्षजं सत्त्वं विशुद्धं कस्मै मया कल्पन्ते ये नूतानिह.
Okay, next.
भेजरे मन्योतग्रे भेजरे मन्योतग्र भागवतम् अधोक्षतं सत्त्वं विशुद्धं केमस्य कल्पने ये नु तान् इत्य.
Okay, next. Bhavika, did you read the shloka?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay. Word to word meanings. Vijare, rendered service unto, Munaya, the sages, Atha, thus, Agre, previously, Bhagavantam, onto the personality of Godhead, Adhokshadam, the transcendence, Sattvam, existence, Vishuddham, above the three modes of nature, Shevaya, to derive the ultimate benefit, Kalpante, deserve, Ye, those, Anu, follow, Tan, those, Iha, in this material world. Translation and purport by Srila Prabhupada, Jai Prabhupada. Previously, all the great sages rendered service unto personality of Godhead due to his existence above the three modes of material nature. They worshipped him to become free from material conditions and thus derive the ultimate benefit. Whoever follows such great authority is also eligible for liberation from the material world. Now Krishna says कि previously किससे पहले भी sages ने भगवान को सर्विस रेंडर की है because he is above the three modes of material nature. And one who is above the three modes of material nature means he is on शुद्ध सत्व प्लेटफॉर्म. तो जब उनके कांटेक्ट में रहते हैं तो हम खुद भी शुद्ध सत्व प्लेटफॉर्म पे जाते हैं, है ना? So he says because his existence is above three modes of material nature. Krishna is above the three modes of material nature. As I showed that picture also beforehand in the Bhagavad Gita, it is the picture was given. Let me show all of you again. Yes. Can you all see this picture? You all are able to see this picture? Like there, the human beings are there, puppets in the hands of three modes of material nature, and above that is Krishna. So means Krishna is above the three modes of material nature. Okay? Krishna is above the three modes of material nature. So we can understand from here that Krishna is on transcendental platform. अब जैसे लोहा होता है, अगर वो लोहे को आप अग्नि के संपर्क में रखिए, ठीक है, तो कुछ समय बाद वो लोहा अग्नि की तरह बिहेव करना शुरू कर देता है. So similarly, because Krishna is transcendental, being in his association by rendering service, as I studied a few days back in one article, it says rendering service to Krishna means being associating with Krishna. You know, सर्विस रेंडर करना मतलब कृष्ण के साथ संग करना. सो जब डिवोशनल सर्विस हम करते हैं तो वो हम भगवान का संग करते हैं. सो दैट इज एन डिवोशनल सर्विस दैट इज अबव द थ्री मोड्स ऑफ मटेरियल नेचर. So we situate ourselves in above the three modes of material nature. तो उस तरह से सेवा करके हम अल्टीमेट बेनिफिट पाएंगे। क्योंकि और भी अगर कोई सेवा आप करते हो, जैसे पुण्य कर्म कर रहे हो या बुरे कर्म कर रहे हो, सो देयर इज अ कर्मा, एक्शन एंड रिएक्शन रहेगा ना, दैट विल कीप यू इंटेंगल्ड इन दिस मटेरियल वर्ल्ड। बट व्हेन यू एक्ट ऑन ट्रांसेंडेंटल मोड, देयर इज नो कार्मिक रिएक्शन, so that is the ultimate benefit then, because then you are beyond the cycle of birth, death, old age and disease. Then it says, or beyond the material existence. Then further it is stated here, whoever follows such great authorities is also eligible for liberation from the material world. कि जो भी इन ग्रेट अथॉरिटीज को फॉलो करता है वो भी एलिजिबल होता है लिबरेशन के लिए। ठीक है, जैसे हमारे जो स्पिरिचुअल मास्टर हैं लाइक श्रील प्रभुपाद और आर गुरु महाराज, दोज आर डिसाइपल्स ऑफ श्रील प्रभुपाद, they have given us certain instructions. If we follow those instructions, we will become eligible to be qualified to go back to home, back to Godhead. So it's the similar platform, as is, we are all, as Krishna said in Bhagavad Gita 9.10, that everything is working under my direction. So हम बोल सकते हैं कि हम भी भगवान के अंडर डायरेक्शन में है डायरेक्ट, बट वी आर नॉट इन डायरेक्ट अंडर द डायरेक्शन ऑफ कृष्णा. It is, he has given his instruction, and those instructions are coming through spiritual master, so we are under the direction of spiritual master. So if we follow the direction of spiritual master, we will be automatically getting the ultimate benefit, as stated in the Bhagavatam, that if one follows the instructions of spiritual master and then render service unto him, or render devotional service under his guidance, that pleases Krishna most. And that is the ultimate benefit of us if we are on the transcendental mode. So we have to follow the authorities. Like now, for example, we can see the sages who are rendering service to Krishna, and the similar way, and now here, as we are under the authorities, Guru, Sadhu, and Shastra, so we should take their instruction and try to follow as this mentioned to us, and then we will be becoming eligible for liberation from the material world. Okay, I will go through the purport quickly. The purpose of religion is neither to profit by material gain, nor to get the simple knowledge of descending matter from spirit. Religion is came from the Greek word religo. ये जो शब्द है religion, एक Greek word है religo, उससे आता है. इसका मतलब होता है to relink with the supreme. Religo means to relink with the supreme. तो religion का मतलब है कि भगवान के साथ संबंध स्थापित करना, ना कि आप किसी भौतिक वस्तु या भौतिक उपलब्धि के लिए जाएं, और ना तो ये हमें सिर्फ इतना ज्ञान अर्जित कर लें कि हम वी आर सेपरेट एंटिटी फ्रॉम मैटर. No, that is not sufficient. Religion means to establish our relation with the supreme person. ठीक है? The ultimate aim of religious performances is to release oneself from material bondage and regain the life of freedom in the transcendental world, where the personality of Godhead is the supreme person. So what is the ultimate of religious performances? Religion performance का ये नहीं है कि अब जैसे खाना हमारे इंडियन पीपल में क्या होता है, स्पेशली इन नॉर्थ इंडिया, व्हेन वी हैव अ दाल चावल ना or rajma chawal, above that we pour a little lemon juice to have some taste. So in the people generally have religion in their life like that lemon juice to have some taste. Oh, we हम लोग religious भी हैं, but religious doesn't make आप बस घंटी बजाओ, धूप जलाओ और उनसे बहुत सारी अपनी पूरी डिमांड रख दो, लिस्ट की मतलब अपनी जितनी आपकी इच्छाएं सब लिस्ट कर दो, आगे ये लो, ये पूरा कर दो. No, that is not religious practices. Religious practices or the performance of it, the aim of it, religion is following the practices is to get free from the material bondage of birth, death, old age and disease, and get freedom from the cycle of birth, death, old age and disease, or freedom from the three modes of material nature. So law of religion therefore are directly enacted by the personality of Godhead, and except for the Mahajanas or the authorized agent of the Lord, no one knows the purpose of religion. So हमारे 12 महाजन हैं, लॉर्ड शिवा, जनक महाराज, भीष्म पितामह, so like that we have नारद मुनि, 4 कुमारस, so we have 12 महाजन्स. ठीक है, और यहाँ पे लिखा एजेंट्स ऑफ द लॉर्ड, दोज हु आर प्योर डिवोटीज, ओनली दे नो द पर्पस ऑफ रिलीजन. तो इसका मतलब हमें नहीं पता है पर्पस क्या है रिलीजन का. सो वी हैव टू अप्रोच, वी हैव टू फॉलो द फुटस्टेप्स ऑफ महाजना. महाजना ये न गथा पंथा. So we have to follow the footsteps of Mahajana to know the real essence, or we should put ourselves under the guidance of superior authorities. As we are the sadhakas, sadhaka means to live under the guidance of someone. हमें किसी के guidance में रहना चाहिए. Who is that guidance should be coming from? The agent of the Supreme Lord. That is a pure devotee. Okay, or Guru Sadhu. We have to be under them. So there are 12 particular agents of the Lord who know the purpose of religion. As I said, there are 12 Mahajanas, and all of them render transcendental service unto him. Person who desire their own good may follow these Mahajanas and thus attain the supreme benefit. So if you want your ultimate good, so follow the Mahajanas' footsteps and get the supreme benefit. Okay, so that is there from this verse. So anyone having any quick comment or question, so I will take up, or if nothing, then we'll go to the verse memorization. Yes, before going ahead, I would like to hear something. If anyone having anything, so we can have little discussion. Then
Mataji, Hare
Yes,
Krishna,
Rashna.
Mataji.
Yeah, Hare Krishna.
Mataji, there were 12 Mahajanas or 8 Mahajanas? I am confused. 12. Okay.
12. Yes. There is a verse in 6:18:20, I think, or 6:3:18. वहाँ पे एक second, maybe I can check out the verse. Till then, anyone having any questions, so please go ahead. किसी को कोई प्रश्न है तो पूछ लीजिए. Yes. Okay, Pooja Mataji has no question. Anyone else? It's in the 16th chapter, 6th canto. The list is given. मुझे exact verse याद नहीं है. It's not in my bookmarks. I will check it out. The verse वहाँ पे पूरा list दिया हुआ है महाजनों का. I think 6, 19, 20 or something like that. मुझे exact verse अभी याद नहीं है. It is from the 6th canto. 6, 3, 20 or something. I don't have right now in my bookmarks, so I will check it out later. Okay, anyone else having any further things to speak up? Okay, no questions. Bhavika, do you have anything?
No, Mataji.
Okay. So is it clear from the today's verse what we were trying to learn? That we have to be under the authority and try to follow them. Okay, then we can have the ultimate benefit. Okay, so we can move to the verse memorization. I think previous verses everybody remember? पिछले वाले याद हैं? Those who are late, जिन्होंने बाद में join किया है, I'm not telling to them. Those who are previous ones. So 1, 1, 10, 1 to 6, 1 to 8. How many of you have memorized those verses? Asta, you remember? So now?
Yes, 110. Prayanuvalpasu sabhya kalavasmin yogejana mandasumandamatayo mandabhagyayo padruta.
Okay, next 1 to 6.
1 to 6 is just one. Save pumsa parod. Is it 1 to 6 or 1 to 8? Mataji?
1 to 6.
Yes. Save pumsa parod dharmo yato bhakti radokshade ahituki apratihata yayatma su prasidhyati.
Yes, 1 to 8.
Yes. धर्म स्वान्यस्थिता पुंसाम्. एक मिनट माताजी. धर्म स्वान्यस्थिता पुंसाम् विश्वस्येन कथासु यः नाउत्पद्यते यदि रतिं श्रम एव हि केवलम्.
Yes, पूजा माता जी, आपको याद है?
जी माता जी, 2 याद है.
हाँ जी, सुनाओ.
1, 1, 10. प्राण अल्पायु सभ्य आसीम कालो असीम युगे जन मंद सुमंद मत मंद भाग्ये उपाधते.
प्राण अल्पायुषु सभ्या कलो अस्मिन्
प्राण
युगे जनः
युगे जन
मंद सुमंदमतयो मंद भाग्या हि उपाधितः. Next one. सवे पुंसां परो धर्मो
यतो भक्ति अधोक्षज अहुति प्रतिहता यात्मासु प्रसिद्धति.
Next. धर्म स्वानोचितान् पुंसाम्.
ये नहीं याद आता.
धर्म स्वानोचिता पुंसाम् विश्वक्षेन कथासु या न उत्पद्यते यदि रतिं श्रम एव हि केवलम्. आया पूजा माता जी? धर्म स्वानुष्ठितं पुंसां विश्वासेन कथासु या
एवं केवल
इनको रिवाइज करना, ये नहीं हो कि आगे आगे करते जा रहे हैं इसलिए याद। ओके, तो
जी माता
इस कैंटो सॉरी सेकंड चैप्टर से कुछ और वर्सेस भी हैं जो हमको याद करने थे। One is this one. Yes, this one. 1 to 16th verse हम लोगों को याद करना है. This verse talks about O twice born sages, by serving those devotees who are completely freed from all vice, great service is done. By such service, one gain affinity for hearing the messages of Vasudev. तो कभी भी यदि आपको लगे कि मेरे को उतना hearing में taste नहीं आ रहा है, so just repeat this verse. It will help you that how you can revive your affinity for hearing the message of Vasudev. How? By serving those devotees who are completely freed from all vices. You know. So we'll memorize this verse today. Shushrushoshadhanasya Vasudeva katharuchi Shanmahatsevaya Vipra Punyatirtha Nishevanat. I will read the word to word meaning. Shushrushoho, one who is engaged in hearing. Shraddhadhanasya, with care and attention. Shraddha we can हम लोग Shraddhadhanasya. So it's very faithful और attention से सुन रहा है कोई. Shushrusho means one is engaged in hearing. Vasudeva katha ruchi, in respect to Vasudev. किसका मैसेज सुन रहे हैं? वासुदेवा. कथा मतलब मैसेज, रुचि मतलब एफिनिटी. शयन महत सेवया विप्र. शयन महत सेवया कैसे आएगी? शेयर इज मेड पॉसिबल. किस तरह से पॉसिबल है? यू नो, इस क्या लिखा है? One who is engaged in hearing with care and attention in respect to Vasudev, the message, the affinity for that message comes how? It becomes possible by Mahat Sevaya. Mahat Sevaya means by rendering service to pure devotees. Vipraha. Vipra means twice born. ठीक है. Punya Tirtha Nishevanat. Those who are cleansed of all vice. Nishevanat means by service. So Punya Tirtha. Punya Tirtha means who are cleansed from all the vices. जितने भी बुराइयां हमसे परे हैं. So Nishevanat by service. By rendering service to them, we can increase our hearing towards hearing, affinity to increase affinity to hear the message of Godhead. So you all can repeat two lines at a time. Okay. So that's how we'll be memorizing. Hare Krishna Parth Pratim, you are late today. Hari Bol Parth, you are late today.
मेरा वो खत्म हो गया है, मैं हॉटस्पॉट लगा के चला रहा हूँ.
Okay. So we are memorizing this verse. मैंने already class तो ले लिए verse पे. So now we are memorizing the verse for this week. This is the verse 1 to 16. Okay. So you all can repeat after me. Shushrusho Shraddhadhanasya. Please repeat. You all can be unmuted and can repeat after me. Okay. Shushrusho Shraddhadhanasya. Vasudevi Katha. Shushrusho Shraddhadhanasya Vasudeva Katha Ruchihi.